In this video, we're going to learn how to solve division word problems. Let's look at some division words that you want to look out for. We have quotient of, divided by, divided into, per, ratio of, divisor, split up, percent, half. Another big one is each. Let's look at some division word problems. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for words that tell me that this is division. So Sandy was at the beach for 5 days and found 28 seashells. She plans to give all of her seashells equally to her four friends. How many seashells will each friend get? So words that I'm seeing are each, equally. That's telling me it's divided. So we're dividing. So there's 28 seashells. Then she has four friends. So 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Number 2, Alyssa worked 35 hours in the last 5 days, assuming that she worked the same amount of hours each day. How long did she work each day? So let's see. I see important information that I need is 35 hours. I'm seeing each day. So each day means something is being cut up. So how many of those cut ups are we going to use though? 5. So it's going to be 35 divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So that's 7 hours each day. Number 3, a restaurant sold 49 hamburgers last week. How many hamburgers on average were sold each day? So the word average is a dividing word because in order to get the average of something, you have to divide a number to get the average. So in a week, there's 7 days. So you need to know that in a week that there's 7 days in order to get the average. So 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. So 7 hamburgers were sold each day. Number 4, Mary, Tim, and Nancy have 21 rulers all together. If the rulers are equally divided, how many will each person get? So I'm seeing here each person. Now, how many people? We have Mary, Tim, and Nancy. That's 3. Then it also says equally divided. So we know we're going to divide. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7 rulers. And in these problems, we don't have to do the long division if you know your 1 to 12 times tables. Let's look at number 5. Sam has $35 in $5 bills. How many $5 bills does he have? So he has $35, and they're each of them, they don't say it. They don't say the word each, but each of units of currency of money is a $5 bill. So how many $5 bills does he have? That's going to be 35 divided by 5, which is 7. So he has 7 $5 bills. Number six, Melanie goes out to lunch with Sam and Nancy. The total bill came to $27. They decided to equally split up the bill. How much will each person have to pay? So let's see. There's one, two, three people. The bill came to $27 and we see equally split up. So we have the word equally, then we have split up. So we know this has to be division. So then that's going to be 27 divided by 3, which equals $9. Let's do one more. Jessica has 42 green balloons. She wants to give her 6 friends the same number of green balloons. So I'm seeing her 6 friends, the same number. That's telling me equal amount. How many will each friend get? So since I see same number and then each, that's telling me that this is division. So, and she has 6 friends, so that's going to be 42 divided by 6, and that's equal to 7. That's going to be 7 balloons. So this is how you can complete a division word problem. Good luck.